Okay, camera shut off. I don't know where I was at last. Yeah, I was trying to figure out what I'm doing here. Basically, I'm just jerking around doing nothing because I can't duplicate what I need to duplicate. That's what it comes down to. So this piston here is 7 down the hole. This one here goes until it hits the head. Boom, done. Now, if you put the gasket in there, that'll give me my pop-up. So I gotta put a gasket on this one. That'll pop up my number. Should give me what I need. Okay, I can duplicate a little bit. Or am I duplicating? No, I'm not duplicating anything different. If you put the head up higher, piston is still 0 deck. You can't get past 0 deck because the head's not cut for the piston. You have to cut this for pop-up. When you cut it for pop-up, then you lose valve clearance. We have tons of valve-to-valve clearance, but we don't have valve-to-piston clearance, so I'm trying to check, and I can't duplicate that because I can't do it until I cut the head and let the piston go further up. There's no way of duplicating it. All I can get is 0 deck. This one's 7th thou down. This one here, it rotates until it hits. Now it's going to hit early, so that might semi-duplicate a piston that's sunk, but I don't know. Not by much. We'll see. It's 45 thou pop-up, so we'll see. Basically, I'm going to put the heads on here with no gaskets, and we're going to call it. But I got to assemble the heads too. That's a whole other problem. So that's those over there. Got to deal with those. Alright, so let me go ahead and get all that gathered up. I'll be back.